it's Miss Tay Rosé. Today I'm here with you with, you know the drill, another tutorial. And this time, not only did I delve into one palette, but I delved into two palettes. You know I had to use the Norvina palette again because this palette is on and popping. Despite that, there's a lot of fallout, but you must admit the colors in here are really pretty. So I'm going to go in here with a few colors in here, but I'm not going to tell you just yet, or show you just yet. But I went in with a Norvina palette, and I know I'm supposed to use the entire palette, especially if I'm doing a certain look, but I decided to cheat a little bit, cheat a little bit. And I also delved into the ABH Prism palette, and I only used one color, or one shade, out of this palette, so that way I can get this gorgeous look. So if you want to see how I achieve this look using mostly the Norvina palette with a little dab of Prism, make sure you keep on watching.
Trap Money Benny. Are you recording?
Mm-hmm. You listen to some Trap Money Benny.
I buy you champagne, but you love some Henny. On the block, like I'm not really in it.
It's fine. You might be featured in the video just because you came in.
Risha, do you love me?
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment below any other looks that you would like to see using either palette or just something that you want to see different regarding a makeup look. If you love what you see, make sure you subscribe. And once you hit that subscribe button, I also want you to click on that bell so that way you get notified as to when my videos come out. And yeah, that's about it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!